Calories in alcohol. Did you know a standard glass of wine can contain as many calories as a piece of chocolate, and a pint of lager has about the same number of calories as a packet of crisps? So, if you're trying to lose weight, you need to think about what you are drinking as well as what you are eating. Drinking 4 bottles of wine a month adds up to a yearly consumption of around 27,000 kilocalories, which is equivalent to eating 48 Big Macs per year. Drinking 5 pints of lager each week adds up to 44,200 kilocalories over a year, equivalent to eating 221 donuts. Liquid calories. Calories in common drinks. Drink calories kcal, estimated food equivalent. Standard 175 milliliters glass of 12% wine 133 kilocalories. 3 Jaffa cake biscuits. Pint of 5% strength beer 239 kilocalories. 1 standard size Mars bar 50 milliliters glass of 17% cream liqueur 153 kilocalories. 1 standard size Wagon Wheel standard 330 milliliters bottle of 4% alcopop 172 kilocalories. 2 chocolate digestive biscuits double measure 50 milliliters of 17.5% fortified wine 77 kilocalories. 10 jelly babies double measure 50 milliliters of 40% gin 95 kilocalories. 1 standard size Milky Bar. You can find out the calorie content of many more drinks using the Drinkaware unit and calorie calculator. Weight gain. Wine, beer, cider, spirits and many more of our favorite drinks are made from natural starch and sugar. Fermentation and distillation for certain drinks is used to produce the alcohol content. This is why alcohol contains lots of calories, 7 calories per gram, which is almost as many as a gram of fat. Plus, additional calories can be in added mixer drinks, such as cola or tonic water. Regularly drinking more than the NHS recommends can have a noticeable impact on your waistline and cause less obvious, but more serious, health problems. Tips to avoid weight gain. Men and women are advised to not regularly drink more than 14 units a week. Alternate an alcoholic drink with a glass of water, this will help to prevent you becoming dehydrated. Do not drink on an empty stomach. If you do reach for snacks while drinking, choose a healthier option. Drinking in rounds can mean you end up drinking more than you intended. Instead, drink at your own pace. Try cutting down with a friend, as you'll be more likely to stick to it with moral support. Eat a healthy dinner before you start drinking so you're not tempted to go for less healthy options later in the evening. Pace yourself by taking small sips. Avoid binge drinking. It's not advisable to save up your units to splurge at the weekend. If you're drinking white wine, why not add a splash of soda water to help the same number of units last longer?